Hey everyone, Nokia, one of the most trusted and iconic smartphone brands of all time, is making a grand comeback after being away for a few years. And guess what? They're about to drop an absolute beast of a smartphone that's going to blow your mind. Rumor has it, this phone is packing a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel DSLR level camera, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and all of this at a price that's going to make your wallet happy. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Lumia 100 Pro 5G. If you're as excited as I am and want to know everything about this phone, make sure to stick around till the end of this video, because we're diving deep into its full leaked features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia 100 Pro 5G. First things first, this phone is a total stunner. It's got a 6.87-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 390Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're gaming or scrolling through your feed, this display is going to feel like a dream. And guess what? It also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 water and dust resistance, and Gorilla Glass Victus protection, to keep it safe from scratches and drops. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera setup, because this is where things get really exciting. The Nokia Lumia 100 Pro 5G is rumored to feature a triple camera setup, with a massive 200 megapixel primary sensor. But that's not all. It's also got a 24 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, for those perfect zoom shots. And for all the selfie lovers out there, there's a 32 megapixel front camera. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is a monster. It's expected to come with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just someone who loves a smooth experience, this phone has got you covered. And here's the cherry on top, it's going to run on Android 15 straight out of the box. Battery life. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Lumia 100 Pro 5G is rumored to pack a massive 6500 mAh battery. And if that wasn't enough, it's also going to support 120-watt fast charging, with a USB Type-C port. No more waiting around for hours to charge your phone. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. This beast of a phone is expected to be priced around €900, which is pretty impressive considering the specs it's packing. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but trust me, the wait is going to be worth it.